love a moist cake. And I think for me, that's really where I run into trouble, because I'm not sure about the level of moisture and how much I should whip my batters and how much I should mix things. So I'm always on the edge, not confident at all.
Right.
Do I mix it more? Do I back off? And inevitably, my centers of my cakes, they fall.
They do. But that's why you have frosting. Frosting
yes.
peppers up every epic fail. Frosting every does. But it's true. If you do anything, they recommend, the professionals and the people I've taken classes from have said, under mix your cake. Under mix your cake.
And one of Rose's tips was to use less leavening to avoid those sunken centers. And this goes back to the weight thing. And I was, again, reading through that whole beginning piece of Rose's Baking Basics. She gives you the specific measurements for a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of baking powder. And when I actually went back after I made a recipe, and I actually texted you a picture, I was like, this is why I can't bake. I mean, I'm not kidding. Like it looked like a crater on the moon. And I went back and I measured what Rose said a teaspoon of baking soda should be, and I used the same teaspoon and I measured it out. It was over by a pretty fair amount.
There you go.
So I have this beautiful puff, center, like this gorgeous cake in my oven, and then it comes out. And within minutes, it's deflated. But that's what she's saying. Use less leavening to avoid those sunken centers. That, to me, I can't wait to go.